Welcome back to GK Quiz Champ. Get ready to test your knowledge and sharpen your mind with some exciting and thought-provoking questions. This challenge is a great way to learn something new. So, buckle up and let's see how many questions you can get right. Which is the largest land animal? A. Rhino. B. Elephant. C. Hippo. It's B. Elephant. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Horse. It's A. Cheetah. Which mammal can fly? A. Squirrel. B. Bat. C. Owl. It's B. Bat. What is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Horse. It's B. Giraffe. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Bear. It's B. Lion. Which fish is the largest in the world? A. Whale shark. B. Great white shark. C. Blue whale. It's A. Whale shark. What is the fastest fish in the ocean? A. Tuna. B. Sailfish. C. Shark. It's B. Sailfish. Which amphibian can change its color to blend in with its surroundings? A. Frog. B. Chameleon. C. Salamander. It's B. Chameleon. Which sea creature has 8 arms? A. Crab. B. Lobster. C. Octopus. It's C. Octopus. Which is the largest species of turtle? A. Green sea turtle. B. Leatherback turtle. C. Hawksbill turtle. It's B. Leatherback turtle. Which bird is the fastest in the world? A. Eagle. B. Falcon. C. Pigeon. It's B. Falcon. What is the only bird that can fly backward? A. Hummingbird. B. Sparrow. C. Eagle. It's A. Hummingbird. Which bird lays the largest egg? A. Ostrich. B. Penguin. C. Eagle. It's A. Ostrich. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6. B. 8. C. 10. It's B. 8. Which insect is known for its ability to produce light? A. Butterfly. B. Firefly. C. Grasshopper. It's B. Firefly. Which reptile is the largest in the world? A. Komodo dragon. B. Crocodile. C. Anaconda. It's B. Crocodile. What is the slowest animal in the world? A. Sloth. B. Turtle. C. Snail. It's A. Sloth. What is the only marsupial found in North America? A. Kangaroo. B. Opossum. C. Koala. It's B. Opossum. What is a group of wolves called? A. Pack. B. Herd. C. Swarm. It's A. Pack. Which animal never sleeps? A. Dolphin. B. Owl. C. Bat. It's A. Dolphin. And that's the end of our GK question challenge. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more exciting quizzes and challenges. We'll see you in the next one.